Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure online services with Stripe, detailed guide step by step clearly. To secure online services with Stripe, begin by signing up for a Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and click on the Start Now button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Verify your email to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Explore the security settings available in the dashboard menu. Enable two-factor authentication for added account security. Download an authentication app, such as Google Authenticator. Follow the prompts to link your authentication app with your Stripe account. Now, set up your payment methods. Under the Settings tab, click on Payment Methods. Choose the options you want to offer, such as credit cards or digital wallets. Configure your checkout process to ensure it's secure. Review the integration guides provided by Stripe for your web platform. Utilize Stripe's official libraries and SDKs for secure integration. Make sure to implement SSL certificates for your website. SSL encrypts data between your server and clients. Regularly monitor your Stripe dashboard for unusual activity. Utilize webhooks to receive real-time notifications about transactions. Set up alerts for transactions that exceed a set threshold. Create a system for handling disputes and refunds effectively. Establish a clear privacy policy for user data protection. Ensure compliance with relevant regulations, such as GDPR or CCPA. Conduct regular security audits of your online service. Stay updated with Stripe's security best practices and guidelines. Educate your team on the importance of security measures. By following these steps, you will enhance the security of your online services using Stripe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.